In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an access or promo code on Eventbrite. Whether you want to offer early bird discounts or unlock special tickets for a select audience, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to fill out so your code works the way you expect. Start by heading to the Eventbrite website in your browser and sign into your organizer account. Once you're in, go to your events dashboard and open the event you want to update. On the event card, look for the three dots menu to the right. Click that, then choose Edit. This takes you into the event editor where you can adjust settings related to tickets and promotions. Inside the editor, find the section labeled Add Tickets. From there, select Promotions. This is the hub for discounts and special access. Click the option to create an access or promo code. You'll see a simple form where you'll define how the code behaves and who can use it. Start with the code name. This is what attendees will type at checkout, so keep it clear and easy to remember. Avoid special characters and stick to something short that matches your campaign or audience. Next, set the ticket limit. This controls how many times the code can be redeemed in total, helping you manage inventory and prevent overuse. If you're planning a limited offer, keep this number aligned with the number of tickets you're comfortable discounting or unlocking. If you're making a promo code, enter the discount amount. This is the price reduction that will apply when someone uses the code at checkout. If you're creating an access code instead, the focus is typically on unlocking hidden or restricted tickets rather than changing the price, so the discount field may not be needed. Take a moment to review these details carefully to make sure the code does exactly what you intend. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new code will appear in the promotions list for that event. From here, you can keep track of it, make updates later if needed, or remove it when the offer ends. Share the code only with the audience you intend to reach and communicate clearly how and when to use it so attendees aren't confused at checkout. That's all you need to create an access or promo code in Eventbrite. By setting a clear code name, a sensible ticket limit, and the right discount, you'll make your promotion easy to use and easy to manage. Thanks for watching and good luck with your event.